going to balcony with a little. See, Papa is going in. Let's go, Papa. Here we will this balcony. How it is. Now taking the ladder and coming. Slowly, Papa, it will very. And this is the bird's nest, how it is looking with the roads and with the leaves. Safe leaves. And let's see now. Here is my mother standing. She will see also. Do you do shampoo? Slowly, Papa, you will fall down. This is Papa. Slowly, Papa, the bird is coming. Now see the birds, how it is looking. Papa, so see the birds, so cute. Now I am holding it. Please. Oh my God, please. He's something in my board. Let's go to there. It is getting so hot. Good. Good. Oh my God. Where is the another bird, Papa? Where is the another bird?
Sleeping.
Oh, here. Please. Oh my God.
Eat.
I think they want to eat. What they want to eat, I don't know. Insect. In the morning, where is the insect?
Mother searching outside. No?
Okay, the mother is searching. She wants to eat, I think. She is very hungry. What do you want, baby?
Material Papa used to make this nest.
Yes, this one. These are dry grasses with wings, feathers, and leaves. Dry grass. These are made by dry grass. All are made with some Baby, please. What do you want to do now?
Don't break it.
Baby, what do you want to do? You want to play? Say yes. Oh, she want to play. Okay, play. Or you want to sleep? Say yes. I want to sleep. Say yes. I want to sleep.